In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mother and son using Gemini AI, specifically showcasing Tony and Maria Stark through a magical tool. First, we'll start by heading to your web browser. Ideally, you'll want to use a browser you're comfortable navigating. Chrome, Firefox, or any other is suitable. Now that we're in our browser, go ahead and navigate to Google by typing Google into your address bar at the top of the screen. Hit Enter, and you should be directed to the familiar Google homepage. It's pretty straightforward from here. In the Google search bar, we'll enter the term Google Gemini. This search should bring up a variety of results, but what you're looking for is the Google Gemini website, which should be prominently displayed within those top results. Once you've located the Google Gemini link, go ahead and click it to enter the site. This is where the magic happens. As the page loads, you'll notice a variety of tools and interfaces that Gemini AI offers. For the purpose of our project today, focus your attention on the plus sign icon. This icon is typically situated prominently on your screen, offering a simple click and upload interface for photos. It's time to upload the photos of your mother and son characters. Click on the plus sign, which will open a dialog box that allows you to dive into your device's file storage system. Select the images you've prepared. These might be renders or photographs you intend to use. Having uploaded your images, it's time to get creative and make a prompt. In the prompt section, consider the story you wish to tell or the style you'd like to achieve. For instance, we're aiming for a photograph that mimics the essence of a Polaroid. What does this mean? It involves a slight blur and consistent lighting for a somewhat nostalgic feel, akin to a flash going off in a dim room. A wonderful touch to add realism or fit a particular mood. Furthermore, imagine switching the background to white curtains. This adds a clean contrast but is chic and unpretentious. As you add your prompts, keep the vision intact where the faces of your characters remain unchanged, maintaining integrity and realism of characters. Envision the mother and son posed cutely together, reflecting the heartfelt bond that often portrays affection and warmth. When your prompt is prepared and you feel satisfied with the changes envisioned, navigate to the Submit button. Clicking Submit essentially locks in your vision. This is where Gemini AI processes your request, applying the fantastic transformations you have thoughtfully entered. Be patient as the magic commences, transforming your inputs into a beautifully rendered image that echoes your vision. That's it. You've successfully used Gemini AI to create a meaningful image. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed bringing Tony and Maria Stark into being with this intricate yet fulfilling process.